The incomparable Sean Curran.
Yeah, your technician.
Oh, our technician! He's here too! Wow!
How you kids doing? You having a good time? Yeah! We love that. Now this was a last minute thing I sprung on John because again, the theme is fairy tales, okay? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna share with you a thing called the sound effects fairy tale. And actually, you're gonna share it with me. John, every time I say the word kingdom, I would like you to play da-da-da-da on there. Now John, it's a kingdom. Make it sound like a kingdom. So this is the story of a kingdom. Very good. Now, the kingdom is ruled by a king. Come here, sir.
Oh my God.
Your sound is da-da-da-da-da-da-da. Our king. Nice. So, the story of a kingdom ruled by a king who has two daughters. A very beautiful daughter. My darling, after that singing, you have to do it. Come here.
Do it.
Your sound is... That was so demure. Just a little, okay, we're good. We'll get there. All right? And a very ugly daughter. Now, the last time I picked a woman for this, I got slapped. Lawrence, can I bother you for... Yes, I need you. You're going to be playing the ugly daughter, and your sound is yuckapatooey.
Yakapatui.
Right, there you go. Okay, so let's check this out. The story of a kingdom ruled by a king with two daughters. A very beautiful daughter and a very ugly daughter. Yakapatooey. Wow, nicely done. Getting into character. Good. Okay, now, the problem is that the kingdom is full of townspeople. Now, it's all of you, and your sound is ah! And the townspeople are being eaten by a dragon. Sir, come up here, please. You're going to up next to the ugly daughter, so I don't get slapped again. Okay. And your sound is grrr. Oh, Jesus Christ, that one scared me. Thank you. Okay, that's good. With fiery breath, sir. Come here. You're going to get up next to the dragon here. Yours is easy. You're doing good, this ugly daughter, trust me. Your sound is well done. Let's see where we're at. Now we have a kingdom ruled by a king with two daughters. A very beautiful daughter and a very ugly daughter. Now the problem is that the kingdom is full of townspeople who are being eaten by a dragon with fiery breath. Hold on. This is we're going up. Now, the king, well, you are on it. Thank you so much, sir. Honest to Christ, that was good. Right there. Decides to set out a proclamation stating anyone who can ride into his kingdom and slay the dragon with the fiery breath, who keeps eating the townspeople, will receive the hand of either his very beautiful daughter or his very ugly daughter in marriage, and also receive half the kingdom.
Yeah.
So one day, a handsome prince, please be my handsome prince. No. I'm just telling a story to the help on the stage. Your sound is See how easy that was? On a fiery steed. Whose horse is that? I mean, can I borrow you, sir, for a second here? You're Kenny's fiery steed. I just need you to stand up beside him. Your sound is... You got it. Who's you got this covered, right? There we go. Yeah, you might have heard this before. Okay, so let's recap quickly. We have a kingdom ruled by a king with two daughters. A very beautiful daughter and a very ugly daughter. Now the problem is that the kingdom is full of townspeople who are being eaten by a dragon with fiery breath. So one day the king sets out a proclamation stating anyone who can ride into his kingdom and slay the dragon with the fiery breath, who keeps eating the townspeople, will receive half the kingdom and the hand of either the very beautiful daughter or the very ugly daughter in marriage. So, the handsome prince on a fiery steed, rode out into the forest, and he did just that. He slayed the dragon with the fiery breath, who was eating the townspeople. He then rode back to the kingdom to collect his prize. So the king, over the two daughters, a very beautiful daughter, and a very ugly daughter, said to the handsome prince, on a fiery steed, now that you have slayed the dragon with the fiery breath, who is eating the townspeople, you are entitled to half my kingdom and the hand of either my very beautiful daughter, it's a very timid beautiful daughter, but she's there, isn't she? Or my very ugly daughter.
Yeah, but Chewie, I gotta make it up somehow.
Okay, in marriage. Now the handsome prince, on the fiery steed, said to the king, King, he said, I shall accept half your kingdom. However, I do not wish to marry either your very beautiful daughter, who started taking shorthands in the hope of getting a job as a secretary because she's never going to get married, or your very ugly daughter, in marriage. No, the handsome prince, on the fiery steed, said to the king, King, I wish to marry you. After all, this is a fairy tale. Give them all a hand, please. Thank you for putting up with the bullshit. Thank you, guys.